Hello there. Welcome to MX24's Events Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Afinuna and I'm your special events curator. Now, guess what? If you want events happening around you, do also visit www.mx24.events and go explore the number of events happening around you, from Christian programs, that is church programs, to parties, to conferences, just name it. We've got it all on the website. If you want your events also amplified on our platforms, do reach out to us by 059 888 9441. 059 888 9441. Now, guess what? I am in studio with two gentlemen who are putting together a good event. That is the Midnight Masquerade. Secrets Unmasked. It's on call party Ayasha Masda. This is your opportunity. Hi, gentlemen. Please introduce yourselves to us, and then let's get into the conversation.
So my name is Lord. Sorry.
Lord. And
Still with the creative director.
okay. Please position yourself for my camera. Thank you very much. Now let's go on. Now, Midnight Masquerade. How did this whole event come about? What is your target for this event?
Okay, so the target of this event is entertaining purposes to Accra. And when you get to socialize, so people tend to go in the club, the beach, so many people day in, day out. But with this one, it's different from all these things because it comes with its own uniqueness. I guess, and it's where you come out to socialize in a different way. Let me put it there. You are trying to put things, let's say, in a Western way.
That's right.
We are tired of going to the club one way.
So it is going to the club, but with my why masquerade? Why mask? Like our culture and that's what
So the local Ghanaian culture, where you try to put your face out, people are scared that when I go out under the sunlight, people are going to see this is ABCD. So you put a mask on, then you can get your true self out.
Ow! It means that in a the word. Your true self. Bring out your true self at Midnight Masquerade. When is it happening? When is this happening? How do we get there? How much do we need to pay?
Okay, so it's happening on the 31st of July. And then it's happening at the Reggie Homes Airbnb, which is on the Spintex Road.
Okay.
When you get to EcoBank.
Okay.
Spintex EcoBank.
Like I'm going to KFC. You not miss KFC, but on that Spintex KFC you will know.
When you get to EcoBank, there's a road, one leading to KFC, one leading to, let's say, Accra Mall.
Okay.
And there's the T junction.
Yes, there's one leading to the railway too.
So the other one.
Oh, okay.
So the opposites from the railways. So it's a straight road. When you get to a taxi over there, you just tell them you are going to Reggie Homes. They'll bring you straight for it from there.
That's beautiful. I mean, how much are the tickets? How do we get tickets?
So the tickets are going for 250 cedis for the guys, 100 cedis for the ladies, and 350 cedis for couple.
I want to understand this spice. I really want to understand the spice. Why are they paying more than the ladies?
Okay. So the men are paying more than the ladies because we did a popular survey.
Okay.
I get it. And most of the guys, honestly speaking, we didn't determine the price.
Okay.
So the price was determined from the survey we did. So from our initial, we started from 300 and the ladies were paying 150. Initially, we got to a point we wanted to be free for the ladies. So it was a survey we did, and then the conclusion we have.
Yesterday, you want to pay more than the 100 cedis.
No, collect.
Good.
So for the flyer that has been displayed on your screen, Midnight Masquerade Secrets Unmasked is happening at Regimatt Homes, Airbnb, and Guest House in the Spintex near EcoBank Trappist Live. This is happening on the 30th of July, 31st, my bad. Please, 31st of July 2026. Thanks for the correction. 8 p.m. till Mama calls you. You know, man, I've been going here. It's Semara. For gentlemen, you're paying 250 cedis. For ladies, you're paying 100 Gs. And for couples, 300 and pitch the couples, no. Let me know better say something before they revoke like that baby like this. So you can get tickets via www.mx24event. Where you click on the event, it will take you straight to Aya Tickets, where you can get your tickets for the event. I'm going to be there. I'm definitely going to be there. But how you identify me is the problem. No mask, no edge. No mask, no edge. It's a house party, and you know what we do at house parties. When you're coming, psych yourself. Don't find yourself like. Anyway, this has been MX24's event side. If you want your event unpapered on our platforms, like I said, go to sit us www.mx24.events and just go choose a package and let's work together. Or you can send us a message WhatsApp only. 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. My name is Apino9. I'll see you at your next event.